Welcome everyone to this new episode of Cold Email Teardowns, where we tear down your cold emails to help your business grow. The concept is simple. You send us your cold email and we invite a cold email expert to tear down and write it again. Today, I'm very happy to welcome Sacha, CEO of Growth Room. Sacha, can you tell us a bit more about who you are and what are you doing at Growth Room?
Yeah, hello Lilibeth. Hello everyone. So I'm Sacha, CEO and founder of Growth Room. So Growth Room is a growth marketing agency, and we have a team of growth marketing experts that help you build the most efficient outbound process. And it's based on cold emailing with Lemlist, obviously, paid ads, for example, Facebook ads, Google ads, LinkedIn ads, and HubSpot.
We're very happy to have you because on today's episode, we're gonna break down a cold email sent by a SaaS company that sells an AI-powered customer service platform. Let's check it out together. So their goal was to get appointments booked with a customer service manager in e-commerce companies. The subject line starts, "Boost your customer service with AI." And the content goes like this. "Hi name, I'm Jake from Company, an AI-powered customer service platform. We help businesses like Company reduce response times and improve customer satisfaction. Interested in a free demo? Best. Signature." Okay, what are your thoughts, Sacha?
So basically, the email is quite short. So this is a good thing. But first thing first, let's talk about the subject line. This is the first cut you want to pass as a growth marketer because it's basic math. If the prospect doesn't open your email, you won't be able to convince him. So it's really, really important, even if you have the best copywriting in the world in the content. So this one is not that bad, but it's clearly too promotional. With, for example, the word boost and customer service with AI, it makes me feel that I'm not the only one who received this message. So this is the first problem in this email. For the insight number 2, let's see the content once the email is opened. Once we pass the usual hi name or hello name, there's already something you don't want to see. Jake decides to open up with a presentation of himself and what he does. But he's not thinking about his prospects and their problems. So they can't identify themselves. And so basically, the good thing for that is to open up with an icebreaker or maybe to interest yourself to the company of the prospect. And the last insight that I would have is to actually, if we focus on the call to action, it's clear, it's short, and we understand it. But watch out, it's not visible enough. Personally, I always keep a line before writing my CTA. It makes it more visible, and we see that it's the only goal at the end. And the second thing in that is that actually it contains, the CTA is containing a spam word. When you are writing a cold email, you have to prevent yourself from using words like free or boost or promotional.
Absolutely. It can be tempting to use the words, but you should absolutely abstain from it because it can hurt your deliverability in ways that you cannot think of. Now, I'm curious to know, how would you rewrite this email?
So here's my new version. So subject line, how to increase prospect companies' customer service. And here's the content. Hello first name, icebreaker. As a flourishing company, I can imagine you must be facing challenges regarding your customer service. At my company name, we've worked with dozens of companies operating in prospect industry, like company example 1 or company example 2. Within a few weeks, we have helped them boost their customer service by X%. If you want to see how, here is a sum up. This is actually redirecting into a case study. Having studied prospect company on my side, I really believe we could have the same kind of impact working together. Will you be available today plus 3 open days to discuss this together? This is a question, and after you can put a signature.
Okay, great. This is much more concise than the first one. So why do you think this email works better than the original one?
So actually, it's focused around your prospects. So you mentioned your prospect company name in the subject. There is the typical icebreaker. You complement also the company and how they have been doing in the past few weeks. And lastly, you name drop clients, which increase the trust that they have for your company. The reason number two, actually, you are providing insights. So you give them an opportunity to see how you work and to also prove the impact. You have the case study, which is quite interesting for them to read. The reason number three, it's about the CTA. It's clear, it's visible. You could have used a demo-oriented CTA, but to me, it's more appealing to talk about a meeting instead of a demo in this case. And last reason, overall, what we've tried to do here is to put you in the position of an expert and a problem solver. Once the prospects start to feel that, actually, you won.
I'm so on board with you on that, Sacha. It's really about solving their problems. And when you get that right, you've got the whole formula figured out. So thank you so much for coming over, Sacha. If anybody out there also wants their cold email to be analyzed by our team of experts, they can just fill out the form below and that will get directly to us and it will appear hopefully on one of our teardowns in the future. And of course, if you want Sacha to help you out in your outbound strategies, you can find all his info below, including his Lemko. Thank you so much, Sacha, and hopefully you'll be here the next time.